This is the FLYBIRD Roman chair. What I like about this is that it's a very compact bench that has a lot of utilization. I have dumbbells, I have different type of workout equipment, but this one I find has a lot of utilization for the form factor. For example, right here, this is great for using for ab workouts. Like this, you can do your abdominal workout like this, and this is very effective core workout. And if you are taller or shorter, you can adjust the height like so. For someone that's taller, you might want to raise this up, or for me, I like it a little bit lower like that, right? So very effective for the ab workout, and you can use weights with it. For example, I can go grab a plate of weight. For example, maybe let's do 10 pounds for this exercise right now, and you can use your Olympic weight and do your core exercise like that too. So very effective, right? So this is one exercise, for example, and then you can flip it around and say you want to use some dumbbells. These are FLYBIRD's adjustable dumbbells right here, and you can turn this around, and now you can use this for your concentrated bicep curls. Very effective, right? So this is another exercise. Then you can also use your feet down here to latch on, and then you can use this for a flat bench. And if you notice, my head is a little bit off the bench. That's not a problem because this bench is very adjustable. It has a ton of adjustments. Even this headpiece right here, you can pull this pin and then it lets you adjust the headpiece right here. So for me, maybe just up a little bit. I don't need a lot of space, but you can see right here, now I can adjust accordingly, and then I can do my exercise again, and now my head is in check, right? So this is for the flat bench. I can also use this for sit-ups. It works really good too. I can add weight to that sit-up, just like before. For example, the 10-pound Olympic weight right here. Now I can work on abs this way. Or for more intense ab workout, I can lower this to a decline level. Again, very easy, no tools needed. You see, you have 3 settings, 1, 2, and then the third setting down here. Now this is a super awesome decline. You got the dumbbell here, you got the weight, and now, oh, really work that core. Oh, that's gonna burn. That's a great abdominal workout. Plus, if you have those dumbbells, like we had before, these are FLYBIRD's adjustable dumbbells, by the way. You can use for your decline chest presses. So this is one exercise equipment that has a lot of functionality. This is probably one of my favorite pieces of workout equipment, and it's really solid, yet it's lightweight and very compact. This is the FLYBIRD Roman chair.